Let's be honest. Most men have asked themselves this question at some point. What really makes a woman crave intimacy with a man? Some assume it's all about money, others think it's only about looks, and a few believe women are complicated and impossible to understand. But here's the truth. Women are not a mystery. Their attraction switches are deeply rooted in psychology, biology, and emotional chemistry. And the wildest part? Desire doesn't always spark at the moment you think it does. Women often feel the strongest sexual desire when men show very specific traits that signal confidence, safety, intelligence, and even playfulness. Today, we're diving deep. Not surface-level pickup lines, but real science-backed traits that turn women on mentally, emotionally, physically, and socially. By the end, you'll understand why some men seem to effortlessly attract women, while others struggle no matter how good they look. So let's break it down. Confidence, the psychological aphrodisiac. Confidence is the king of attraction triggers. Think of it as the currency of desire. Why? Because confidence signals competence. A confident man doesn't need to prove himself, his energy does it for him. He walks into a room with relaxed shoulders, steady eye contact, and a vibe that says, "I belong here." That alone sparks curiosity. Psychologists call this the halo effect. When you appear confident, women unconsciously assume you're also successful, capable, and even more attractive physically. Confidence amplifies everything else. But let's clear this up. Confidence isn't arrogance. Arrogance is loud, insecure, and repels women. Real confidence is calm. It's the man who doesn't fidget during silence, who doesn't need to brag about his accomplishments, who can handle rejection without crumbling. And yes, studies show women find men with confidence more sexually appealing, even above physical appearance. Why? Because confidence is a shortcut for genetic fitness and survival value. A confident man signals, "I can handle challenges, I can protect, I can provide." 2. Emotional intelligence. Turning on her mind before her body. Here's where many men miss the mark. Women want sex most when they feel understood. Emotional intelligence, your ability to read, respond, and connect to her emotions, is a massive turn-on. Think about it. Life is stressful. Work, family, insecurities, daily chaos, it all piles up. A man who listens without dismissing, who notices her mood shifts, who says, "I get how you feel," instead of "you're overreacting," makes her feel emotionally safe. And when a woman feels safe, her defenses lower, her desire rises. This is why psychologists argue that sexual attraction for women often starts in the mind, not the body. Emotional attunement reduces stress hormones like cortisol, while boosting bonding chemicals like oxytocin. And oxytocin is a key driver of intimacy. In short, make her feel seen, and she'll naturally want to be touched. 3. Physical traits, more than just 6 packs. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room: looks. Do women want a man who's fit, tall, and chiseled? Sure, physical attraction plays a role. But here's the kicker. It's not everything. What women notice even more are indicators of health and vitality. Clean grooming, fresh breath, a man who smells good, a voice with depth and calmness, good posture, energy that radiates, "I take care of myself." Science backs this up. Women are subconsciously tuned into pheromones, chemical signals of genetic compatibility. A man's natural scent, combined with how he presents himself, can ignite desire faster than a 6-pack hidden under bad hygiene. So yes, hit the gym if you can, But don't ignore grooming, style, and self-care, because those subtle physical cues often matter more than raw genetics. 4. Mental strength, the silent turn-on. Ever noticed how women admire men who stay calm under pressure? That's not by accident. Mental strength, discipline, focus, resilience is a huge attraction trigger. Women want sex most when they feel a man has his life together, not just in finances, but in mindset. Imagine two men. One panics at the slightest problem, complains constantly, and gives up easily. The other takes challenges in stride, adapts, and finds solutions without losing his cool. Who's more attractive? The answer is obvious. From an evolutionary lens, women are wired to be drawn to competence. A mentally strong man signals survival value. He can handle life's storms, and by extension, protect and support her. So whether it's staying disciplined with your goals, or simply keeping your calm when the car breaks down, mental strength speaks louder than words. 5. Humor, the shortcut to her heart and bed. Never underestimate the power of laughter. Humor is one of the fastest ways to bypass defenses and build sexual chemistry. Women consistently rank sense of humor as one of the sexiest traits in a man. Why? Because humor signals intelligence, creativity, and confidence all rolled into one. Think about it. Making her laugh releases dopamine, the brain's feel good chemical. In that moment, she associates you with joy, and joy is one of the strongest precursors to desire. Plus, humor builds rapport. It creates inside jokes, it transforms tense moments into playful ones, and most importantly, it makes her feel good in your presence. Here's the key. Your humor doesn't have to be stand-up comedy. It just needs to show wit, timing, and playfulness, teasing her lightly, making observations about the world, laughing at yourself. It all works. 6. Dominance and leadership. The primal switch. Let's talk about dominance, but not the toxic, controlling kind. Healthy dominance is about leadership, decisiveness, and protective energy. It's when a man takes charge of situations, not by force, but with certainty. Psychology calls this social dominance orientation. In simple terms, women often feel desire for men who step into leadership roles because it signals strength and reliability. Example: two guys are planning a date. Guy A: I don't know. What do you want to do? Guy B: I've got it. Let's grab dinner at this spot. Then check out that rooftop lounge. Who's more attractive? Guy B, every time. Leadership removes uncertainty. It makes a woman relax. And when she relaxes, she opens up mentally, emotionally, and sexually. 7. Consistency and reliability. Safety equals desire. This is the quiet trait most men ignore. Women want sex most when they feel secure, not just physically, but emotionally. Consistency and reliability fuel that security. When a man shows he's dependable, keeping promises, being on time, following through, he builds trust. And trust is the foundation of female desire. Why? Because sex, at its core, is vulnerable. A woman needs to feel safe with you before she can fully surrender to desire. Think of it this way. A man who is unpredictable or flaky might excite her temporarily, but he won't inspire long-term intimacy. The man who is reliable, however, creates the safety net that allows passion to flourish. 8. The blend. Why traits work together. Here's the ultimate truth. No single trait works in isolation. A confident man without empathy? Attractive at first, but frustrating long term. A funny man without reliability? Fun, but not sexually grounding. A strong man without emotional intelligence? Protective, but hard to connect with. The most desirable men show a blend of traits: confidence, humor, leadership, emotional depth, and consistency. That blend is what flips the switch from "he's nice" to "I want him now." The real secret of attraction. Attraction isn't about cheesy tricks or fake confidence. It's about embodying traits women are wired to respond to. When you show confidence, emotional intelligence, humor, leadership, and consistency, you naturally trigger her desire. You become more than just a man she likes. You become a man she craves. So here's the final takeaway. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to look like a movie star. You just need to grow into the kind of man who makes a woman feel safe, understood, excited, and valued. Because when you do, you won't have to chase desire, it will chase you.